Five little donkeys, hee haw hee, braying together so happily. One nibbles a patch of green fresh grass, two stomp around with a playful sass. Three roll in the mud with a joyful cheer, four kick up dust as friends gather near. Five little donkeys trot down the lane, their tiny hooves go clip clop again and again. They shake their ears and wiggle their tails, playing together through hills and trails. The sun shines bright on their soft gray fur, donkeys laugh and bray without a slur. When evening comes with a sky so wide, five little donkeys rest side by side, dreaming of fields and carrots to chew. Donkeys snooze peacefully in a cozy view.